Hello, I'm going to demonstrate what happens when you expose an apple to extremely high voltage. This is a microwave oven transformer hooked up into mains through that plug-in, straight through that. This is my chicken stick. I'm going to use that and aim it straight at that apple. Okay. I'm going to try and hold this between my legs here. Well, that's not a good idea. Okay, there we go. Okay, now you hear that hum? It's the high voltage. Ho ho. Ho ho. I'm gonna put my safety glasses down. Okay. Oh, that smoke smells terrible. Oh, that was a big one. Okay, so let's touch the apple again. Okay, now the transformer body. Okay, that's the end of that. Okay. And make sure that's unplugged. Right up there. That's what happens. You expose high voltage to an apple. That would be your arm. Or your leg or something. Dangerous. Don't try this at home. Yeah.